Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl TY Diamond. You're welcome once again. The last video I uploaded was on how to make a very delicious milky chinchin, which represents my tea premium milky chinchin brand. So on the video, at the end of the video, I added that I will be posting a video on costing and packaging. So this is the video on costing and packaging. In this video, I'll be showing you how I package my tea premium milky chinchin and the prices I sell according to my own location. Though you might not be able to sell the same price I sell mine because our locations might be different, but at least you have an idea of how you can package and the prices you can sell. You can add or remove for my price, but you will get an idea of how you cost your chinchin. So I made a little quantity of chinchin just to explain to you, because I'm supposed to make this video by weekend, which is tomorrow Sunday, but I won't be free on Sunday and I want to post this video this week. As much as I am busy, I want to make sure I post this video this week. So I made little quantity overnight so I can take it to my shop and show you how I package and explain to you about my pricing of my chinchin. So we'll be starting with the packaging before we move on to the pricing. Please ignore my background. Like I said before, I'm trying to show you this with the little space I have in my shop because I'll be very busy by the weekend, which is Sunday. So that's why I'm trying to manage the little space I can get on my table in my shop. Here I am trying to show you the different way I package my chinchin. I've showed you my chinchin pouch, and I've also shown you the container I use in packaging my chinchin, the medium and the smallest container, and I'm showing you the biggest round PET container I use. This is 750 ml, but for those small one and the medium size, I don't really know the exact size, but those are the three sizes I use for my plastic and the pouch. And I'm also showing you the nylon packaging, though I don't use it, but people also use it, but I don't use it. I only use the plastic container and my pouches. So yeah, I'm trying to show you how I feel into my round PET container. I mean the 750 container. So I'm adding my chinchin at the moment, and after adding the chinchin, I will be weighing it. If it's exactly the weight I want, then I'll put it aside, because there's an exact weight I use for this big container and for the two small containers, and also to my pouch. But the way I weigh my chinchin cannot be compared to yours, because the way I weigh it depends on the price I am selling it. But I have exact weight I use for every container and pouch I use for my chinchin. Please ignore my voice, I have cold. I just have to do this today so as to upload this video today because I'll be busy tomorrow. So I'm trying to confirm the weight. It was not enough, so I added a little so as to meet the exact weight I normally fill in that container. So I'll be moving on to my medium container. I'm sorry, as you can see I'm trying to manage my space. After filling, I push the chinchin outside and pick another thing because my space is very small and my camera is very close at the same time. So yeah, I'm also moving on to my small container, medium container. I'm sorry. So I just filled it in, and I'm trying to show you how it look. Yeah, I brought in my weight. Sorry, my scale. So I brought out my scale, and I'm trying to check if it's at 0, and I'm weighing it. Unfortunately, is at the exact weight. So I removed it and I switched off my scale, and I moved on to my small container. And here I'll be filling in my small container as I filled the remaining containers, and I will be confirming the weight as usual before setting it outside. So when I'm done filling and covering it, I'll pick up my scale again so as to confirm the weight, because to be sincere with you, if you don't use your scale as you fill this container, you might exceed the exact amount you're supposed to add or reduce it, and your customers will complain. And don't be deceived, there are sometimes it looks smaller, but it's exact weight you want, because it's according to the way you cut your chinchin. If you cut it very small, it looks scanty in the container. If you cut it very big, it looks much in the container. So make sure you put your chinchin at the medium size when cutting it, so it won't bring shortage for you. Because if you cut your chinchin very small and it looks scanty in your container, you won't have any choice than to add to it so as to make it fill the container. So make sure you are cutting your chinchin to the medium size. As you can see, you see how it looks. It's at the medium size and it looks almost equal in all sizes. So this is how you should cut your chinchin so as to avoid shortage, because any little mistake in it, to be sincere with ourselves, it is shortage. Because if it's not well filled, your customer will complain that you're reducing it, and it might be the same weight. So you have to make sure you are cutting in the right shape and you are using your scale to measure it to the right quantity. So yeah, I'm trying to show you my sticker I use for my chinchin. I use a very round sticker, and I'm showing you how long it is. A very round sticker, not too big, not too small. I guess it's like I do not remember. I don't remember the exact size. I'll add it if I can remember. So that's my sticker, because you need a sticker for your packaging so as to make it look beautiful. So I'm showing you my tamper proof that I use for my 750 ml, and I am trying to show you how I seal it. Yeah, so this is the way I seal it. I'm sealing with my heat gun. So I'll be cutting my tamper proof in 2 places. I'll cutting it into half, so I'll be using the half for it. I'm sorry if my voice is down, my mic is bad, so I'm just trying to use my voice directly for the voiceover. So I will be using my heat gun to heat it so as to close it and seal it here. So this is the process I use, and I make sure while sealing it I use my heat gun at the medium heat so as to reduce too much heat. And moving on to my prices, for this pouch I sell it 1,000 naira in my location. Your location might be different. And for this container I sell it 500 naira in my location. And for this smallest container I sell it 300 naira. And for the 750 ml container I sell it 1,500 naira in my location, you might sell more or lesser. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Even if I have left for long, you still show your support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thanks for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to also comment down below on the type of video you be wanting me to upload next. Thank you.